Hey guys, I got this 2000 Volkswagen Eurovan. I'm going to show you how to remove this door panel and then remove the window motor and window regulator. Okay, so first we're going to remove this piece right here. This will just pop off. Okay, let's just get a flathead screwdriver. Okay, that just pops off after you get that. There are 3 Phillips screws. Get those removed. Okay, once you get that removed, so we're going to go down here. We can just pop this off right here. And we're going to remove this speaker with some 4 Phillips screws. Okay, so we got this removed. Now there's 3 Phillips screws underneath we're going to remove. I'm going to go over here. There is a screw right here. We're going to remove it. It's just a Phillips screw, and then we're going to remove this piece up here. So there's a clip right here. You want to try to remove it. I couldn't figure out how to get it off. I think you press on the in the middle and pop it off, but this is a junk car, so I'm not trying to save anything on it, but you want to get that clip off so this can go up. And then you want to get this screw out right here. And once you get those out, you can just lift up on this, pull it up, and pop it out. So it's got clips down here, down there, and those just come out by lifting it up. So we're just gonna grab down here, lift it up. And it comes off like that. And then just unclip this right here. And then remove the speaker cable. That's how you remove that. Okay, from there, if you're gonna remove the window regulator, there's these 2 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 right there, 2 right there actually. And 1 down there. And then you're gonna wanna disconnect it right here, and then I think just down here. So just do that. I'm gonna remove these really quick and then I'll show you how to get it out. Okay, so now get all these out. Get this one disconnected. Okay, so once you get this disconnected from the window, just bring it up. Like this. Like that. And that's how you remove that. Thanks for watching.